Right from the start, the defendant fires back with, "What crime did I commit?" But what happens next completely shuts this down.
What crime did I commit?
Pardon?
What crime did I commit?
Allege that you committed the crime.
I didn't commit that crime.
If you want to interrupt me, I'll answer your question. But if you want to keep interrupting me, I'm not going to play that way. I'll answer your question. Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Miller, who approaches your. Mr. Miller, can you please state your name for the record?
Dwight Miller?
Thank you.
And Your Honor, my belief is that my client does want to set this for preliminary examination. However, I am uncertain. He and I have had some conversations, and frankly, I believe he wants to make some statements to the court. I advise him against it, but at this point, I think he wants to talk.
So we're understanding this is a criminal matter, right?
It is.
Okay, so basically, man, it stemmed from a falsality. All this whole thing, I was falsely arrested, something I never did. I got a sworn affidavit.
Sir, I'm sure your counsel has advised you. I'm going to advise you to not say anything else about the subject matter of the case.
Okay.
If you'd like it set for preliminary examination.
I want to challenge jurisdiction.
You want to challenge jurisdiction?
Yes.
Of whom?
Y'all have a jurisdiction of a case that doesn't exist against me.
On what grounds?
What crime did I commit?
Pardon?
What crime did I commit?
Allege that you committed the crime.
I didn't commit that crime.
If you want to interrupt me, I'll answer your question. But if you want to keep interrupting me, I'm not going to play that way. I'll answer your question.
He walks into court with one question and refuses to back down. "What crime did I commit?" he demands over and over, challenging the judge as if the rules don't.
You're accused of the crime of resisting and obstructing a police house.
So we all aware that this never transpired, right?
I am not aware of that.
Okay.
Is that all you have to say?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So, Your Honor, I would ask Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller, I'm not submitting frivolous motions.
Can I get my affidavit put in on the record, please?
Affidavit.
My affidavit of the incident that transpired.
Your affidavit of what?
The facts in the case. My statement of what happened. Can I get it on the record?
There will be an opportunity if you so choose, if this goes to a further proceeding, for you to put whatever evidence you want into the court. But this is not the time to do that.
Really? So when is the time to put the evidence in there?
If you want it set for a preliminary examination, you'll have that opportunity. And if it proceeds to trial, you'll also have that opportunity.
Right.
So once again, I'll ask, do you want to set this for preliminary examination, Mr. Miller?
Sure.
Thank you.
Not really.
See, do you want to set it for prelim or do you want an adjournment?
Preliminary examination.
Thank you.
To your knowledge, all discoveries.
To my knowledge, yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 24th.
Yes.
We could try for that date, Your Honor. If possible, I might ask to go one. No, let's do that date. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You want to get the discovery? They will have it ready. I will make sure
Don't apply to him. The courtroom grows tense as he interrupts, argues, and tries to take control of the situation. At first, the judge remains calm, giving him chances to cooperate. But the constant defiance pushes things to the edge. Then, in one decisive moment, The judge shuts him down completely, leaving no room for argument. What started as confidence quickly turns into a harsh reality check. Watch how fast this bold demand backfires. Flushed face scales hash.